Hello, welcome to day 29 of 30 days of JavaScript. We are almost about to end this, so let's go to array wrapper. Okay, create a class array wrapper that accepts an array of integers in its constructor. This class should have two features. Okay, when two instances of this class are added together with the plus operator, the resulting value is the sum of the elements of in both the arrays. Okay, when the string is called this, we have to surround by brackets. Okay, so basically this is the first array and second array and add, and as a result we have to return this is the first array 1 2, this is the second array 3 4, object 1 plus 2 10. Okay, 3 plus 7 10, got it. And if we are using a string, then for this it should get converted to this. Okay, I think it's easy. It might be confusing at some points, but let's try, and then we will have to see if there are any bugs. So first I will have to create an array which will be nums. Okay, and I'll focus on the string part first. So return json dot stringify string string stringify this dot array. Let me test this because it might create some issues. Like, I'll have to check first. What's the issue? stringify and this dot array. No. Okay, typing mistake actually. string. Let me check this. And it was related to this, so it passed. I'm not fully sure about this because when we submit, we might face some errors. But for now, it is working, so we'll see. Now we have to add these values, right? So basically, the result of object 1 is the sum of all the items. Result of object 2 is the sum of all the items. And finally, object 1 and object 2, when you are adding them, you will get the result. So this is again similar to that map, filter, and reduce. So we have an array and we want to reduce that to one single value. The best example that I gave for reduce was to summation of various values of an array, right? So we'll use that same concept here. This dot array dot reduce. Now, similar to map or filter, any of these things, it will also accept a callback function. Okay, along with that, we will have to mention initial value also. Earlier, when we were solving other problems, we mentioned initial values as empty array, empty object, but here we want sum. So for sum, we pass 0. The initial value of that sum is 0. First is the accumulator. Sorry, first is the accumulator, second is the current value. So for accumulator, I'll pass sum, and for current value, I'll just pass number and return sum plus number. And this way, this will keep on increasing. First number will come, this will change. Second number will come, this will change. Third will come, this will change, and keep on changing, and will return the final result, the final total in the end. Yeah, that's it. It was easy actually. I'm a bit doubtful about this JSON stringify. It should work directly actually, but yeah. Okay, it works. Let's see the best solution. Okay, they have also used reduce. To string, what they did is length is less than equals to 0, empty array. If it is, they've converted it actually. They've converted the entire thing. Let me try this. What happens if we try this? Okay, no worries. I don't have that much time right now. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye bye.